Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ifoma here. Today's video I'll be doing a luxury handbag review featuring the brand Babala. I am so excited. The brand reached out to me and they said they were going to send me this bag and I just picked it up. It still busts up. I was like, let me just do an unboxing with you guys so that we'll see the bag together in real time. So Babala is a online website that said luxury designer replica handbag. So when they reached out to me, I was super excited. Oh my god, guys. look at how it is. So I got it out from the box and look at the packaging. Oh my god. This is so pretty. I love this. I like when a brand puts some, like, you know, thought into their packaging. Presentation is everything. So it says here Hermès Paris. This is the true color of the boss. Just gonna put this aside. All of this Hermès is written on the paper. And this is how it looks. There's a card here that certifies that it's been authenticated. There's also a little card on how to protect the bag, rain protection and all of that, and a little bit of the details of the bag. Moment of truth. Oh wow. Oh my god. Guys, can you see? This is so beautiful. At first impression, I know they sent me the bag in 25 centimeters. At first impression, the leather quality of this bag is so impressive. Do you see the quality of this bag? And the stitching. Oh my god, just look at the stitching. And it has legs that is protected. So I think I can remove this. Oh my god, this is beautiful. So it has feet. So these are the feet. I said leg. I love this. I don't know how to describe the quality of the leather that I'm looking at right now. I'm going to go ahead and cut it out. Guys, this bag is like protected. Everywhere they thought we need protection, they had some kind of wrapping to protect it. See, there's another one here. See the little handle. This is also protected with that rubber that was also on the feet. I'm gonna be careful so I don't mess it up. And see if that works. We are learning together because this is a first for me too. Let me see. I hope I don't mess it up. I think this is locked and this is open, so I really need to remove the rubber thing and see if I can open it. Yeah, let me try to figure out how to remove the rubber thing and then I'll be right back. So guys, it took me a second to figure it out, but that protection was all the way to, you see how the closure is a little bit out, it was all the way to the teeth. So I like that. So they did everything to protect and secure this bag. It has this covering here, and now I'm able to open the bag. So I'll take this off. Another protection. So it has a little bit of hardware. This is a little bit of charm that it comes with. There's something in here. Let me open that. Oh, it's a lock in gold hardware, and it has the keys also in gold hardware, and it came in this little pouch. I'll leave this for now, but that's detail and the quality is there. You know how genuine leather smells? I have a leather bag that I got years back, and one thing that I used to recognize genuine leather is the smell. Oh my god, this, you know, it doesn't smell funky. There's just a smell, like that bougie smell. So look at the intricate designs on this bag. Look at the handle, and this is how it is inside. It has that zipper on the side, and you can see the stitching all the way around. You also have like another compartment here, no zipper, that you can use to kind of put some of your items. And it has a logo here. It says Hermès Paris, made in France. You see it? Oh my god, this is absolutely gorgeous. Guys, do you see how beautiful this bag is? Look at, this is a close-up. Look at the stitching. Let me take this out. I'm really trying not to mess up this bag because the way it is protected, nothing, not even a scratch. I don't want a scratch on it, and I don't want it to come from me. They really package it so well that nothing should, like, you know, damage the quality of the bag. I'm so blown away. I just realized something, guys. Also, see, this is also protected. Everything is protected. I'm just seeing this ones now. See, everything here is all protected. This is so impressive. So guys, I finally took out everything because I didn't want this video to be overly long. So this is the final look of the bag. Absolutely gorgeous. I can't even begin to describe the quality of this bag. I'll leave all the details in the description box. This is one of the most luxurious bags that I presently own. This is absolutely beautiful. The quality of this bag, I cannot even explain the quality. Something you have to see. And the size is just right and perfect for summer. This will go with literally everything in my closet. I can wear this to church. I can wear this to work. I can wear it for dates. I can wear it for casual, dress up, dress down. That is what I love about this bag. I do have a discount code which I will leave on the screen, and all the details and the seller's information will be in the description box. So go ahead and grab you one of these with my discount code. This is unbelievable. Look at my new bag. Is this not a vibe, babes? Look at the color, is everything. Thank you so much, Babala, for collaborating with me and sending me this gorgeous bag. I am totally in love with it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So guys, do not forget to subscribe and hit that like button if this video was useful to you. I don't know if I mentioned it is 25 centimeter. This bag is top notch. It is absolutely beautiful. I'm also going to come back and share with you guys what I'm able to fit into this bag. I am in love with this bag. So do not forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you found this video informative, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye. All right, babes, because I wanted you guys to see this bag in natural light, I came out so that you can see how it looks. I'm in my car right now, and this is as natural as I can get it to be. Oh my god, this is so incredible to me. This is so incredible. See the stitchings, see the gold hardware. Super in love with this bag. Okay, I just wanted you guys to see it in natural light. That's why I came out here.